Well, we joined this club in 2000. I used to be in the smaller trains. We discovered this is a lot more fun. We started building this in 2000 after visiting a train show in Long Beach. It takes about 2 weeks now for me to get everything set up. I put out way too much detail. And I enjoy the kids coming through in their faces when they discover new things in the railroad. I have a swing bridge over here. It's not really what everybody thinks a swing bridge should be. In train terms, certain trains have right of way over other trains. Something carrying ice, for example, like a produce truck. On my railroad, I carry beer cars. And naturally, the beer is most important. And if you look on the side of the tenders, you'll see our railroad motto, "The brew must get through." Keeps me out of the pool halls, I guess my wife would say.
There are 16 different spots to check out the rails and the garden tour this weekend, and they are all available to visit just between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. And if you want the exact locations, just go to KGUN9.com.